God is saying to you today, remember these 4 things today. The healing you need is coming. The money you need is coming. God will make a way for you. Trust His perfect timing. Your drought is over. I am going to shower you with blessings, healing, change, love, new opportunities and favor. Everything you have been praying for is coming. When you are thankful to God for all He has done and is doing, you are defeating the enemy. When you hold your peace in the midst of the storm, you are warring with spiritual weapons. Stop allowing yourself to be agitated and disturbed. Jesus has given you peace. Put it on and wear it everywhere you go. Every day you need to give yourself entirely to God. Say, Lord, I am yours. I want to be a vessel fit for your use. I dedicated myself to you. I give you my hands, my mouth, my mind, my body, my money and my time. Father, here I am. I am yours. Do with me whatever you want to do today. Once you dedicate yourself to God, then go on about your business, but expect His leading all day long. Listen for His voice to direct you in the way you should go. Accept the challenge to be an instrument for the Lord's use today. God is bigger than your opposition, greater than your sickness, and more powerful than your enemies. He will see you through this. If you are looking for reassurance today, this is it. You are going to be okay. Blessings are coming your way. I am so proud of you for staying strong. Today is a turning point for you. God is propelling you forward into new territory, new blessings, new relationships, new assignments, and new opportunities. You are not stuck or held back. God just turned that stressful situation around. You are about to soar to new heights. God is about to drop a blessing on you that will shock your enemies. Keep praying and keep moving forward. Type Amen if you believe in God.